Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine begins serial production of Octopus interceptors to combat Shahed drone threats. Ukraine has launched the serial production of Octopus interceptors, a domestically developed system designed to counter Shahed drones. The move involves 3 Ukrainian companies, with another 11 preparing to join the manufacturing phase. Ukraine is launching serial production of its own interceptor designed to counter Shahed drones, said Minister of Defense Denis Samachar. The Octopus is a Ukrainian technology for intercepting Shahed drones, developed by the armed forces and validated in combat. According to Samachar, the system is capable of operating at night, under electronic jamming, and at low altitudes. He added, accordingly, we are launching the interceptors into serial production so they can begin protecting Ukraine's skies as quickly as possible. The Ministry of Defense stated it remains committed to its open cooperation policy with Ukrainian defense manufacturers. This approach supports the fast transition from innovation to mass production of technologies that strengthen the country's defense capability. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.